Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a little video about this little guy right here. It's going to be really quick because it's just a mascara. I've got hair on me. This has been, I don't know if I can say blowing up on TikTok, but it has been quite popular because apparently it makes your lashes huge. So it's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High, and yeah, apparently it makes your lashes huge. So we're going to try it today. I decided to go for something a little bit less crazy so that you could actually see my lashes. I'm not going to beat about the bush, we're just going to try this out. I'm going to quickly put it on my bottom lashes. It is a really nice small wand like that. You can see, I'll put up on the screen how much this was. I got mine from Superdrug. It's a very bendy wand. I don't know if you can see that. Very flexible. It is sort of slightly tapered, so it's slightly thicker at the base and it goes thinner at the top. It is a, what's it called, a silicone wand, so if you don't like that you won't like it. It's good for getting in at the lower lashes. I just did my lower lashes with it, and yeah, okay, so we're just going to try it out. Let's go. Right, let's zoom right in. Hope you can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna, I might curl my other eyelashes, but this side I haven't actually curled. What I'll do is once I've done this eye, I'll like do that so that you can see a sort of before and after. Okay. Okay, so I'm looking over at my viewfinder just to make sure that I stay in focus because it doesn't want to. That is a before and after. God, what a difference it makes that you can actually see this eye. You can see the hood of my eye is so much more pronounced. This side, there is, I mean, there's not much in the way of thickening. I always pair my mascaras. I never ever just use one mascara. So I mean, if I do that and look up, you know, they're still very sort of fine looking, but they're very long. So let's just try this one. I don't know if I'm going to lose my lights here, so I want to try and get through this quite quickly. Oh yeah. Oh, I was going to curl this side. Okay. The brush doesn't come out with too much product on it, which is good. But the bristles aren't very long, so it doesn't, like, separating's a little bit of an issue. There we go. So you can probably see that this side's actually a lot bigger because I curled it. I do have reasonably long eyelashes, but that's definitely quite a lot. And I am sort of eye level, so that's, I'm not looking up, I'm looking straight ahead right now. Okay, it doesn't layer very well at all. You have to get it when it's still wet, and the more you add, the more they sort of start to stick together. The bristles are really short, so to make sure that you're keeping the lashes separate, see there's like chunks in that now. To make sure that you're keeping the lashes separate is quite difficult. Like, I like one that you've got like a ball in the end to sort of separate them out afterwards, but that's just personal preference, so we're a little bit better light wise now. And there you go, you can see sort of the difference there. This side's curled, this side isn't, but they've both got the mascara on just now, and I mean, I like it. It's very easy, very quick, and it gives you a lot of length. I think if you wanted a volume along with the length, what to do is get another one and add your volume and then add your length. But I would say just be very careful because it can get quite clumpy quite quickly, purely because the bristles are short. So if you have a lash comb, like if you look at it here, let's see, what other one have I got? Here's a wispy lash. So this is Revolution Wispy Lash and the new Sky High from thingy. This one is the new Sky High, the bottom one is Wispy Lash from Revolution. As you can see, they're both a silicone wand, but like the bristles on this bottom one are really long and they're really short. You can almost not see the bristles. Oh, I'm fuzzy. You can almost not see the bristles on the Sky High one. It's a nice, it is a very nice mascara though. It's a nice mascara though. I like how long it's made my lashes. It definitely has given a lot of length. So if that's what you're looking for, if you really want a lot of length, then this is definitely a really nice mascara. You can be the judge from the before and after of when I had one eye done and one eye not, of whether you think it's really wow or not. But I mean, I wouldn't call it revolutionary or anything like that, but it's a really nice mascara and I will definitely be using it from now on. I might even get one for when I start at work again to put in my kit, because I think even though the wand's Duff, the formula's really nice, so it's always annoying trying to find a mascara that's got a good formula even without the wand that it's got with it, because obviously as a makeup artist you can't use the wand that comes with these. Anyway, yes, I like it. I actually really like it. I think that it's given me really nice lashes. I think that it's given me enough to complete this look, which I like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So obviously if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would get a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.